Righto, today we're in Menton. Now, if you're heading along the French Riviera, chances are you've heard of Nice or Monaco, but hardly anyone talks about Menton, which is a bit strange because this place is absolutely gorgeous. So, today we're not doing a guided tour, we're just going to wander around, get lost, probably take a wrong turn or two, and see what we discover. Let's go! We'll kick things off here at the casino. Now, before anyone gets excited, no, I'm not about to lose my life savings. We'll leave that to the professionals. Instead, let's check out the gardens. One thing you'll notice pretty quickly, Menton loves a good garden. Palm trees, fountains, statues, flowers. Someone around here clearly has a green thumb. Not a bad place to start the day. Let's head towards the market. Already, this place just feels different. Nobody's rushing, nobody's looking stressed. People are just wandering around, having a cuppa, enjoying life. Now don't get me wrong, I love Australia, but mate, it could get bloody hectic at times. Righto, let's have a look around the market. I reckon you can tell a lot about a country just by looking at its markets. Back in Australia, you'll usually find a sausage sizzle somewhere. Here in France, you'll find about 14 different cheeses, and everyone somehow knows exactly which one's the good one. And then there's me, just wandering around, pretending like I know what I'm looking at. One thing I've learnt since moving to France, the best parts usually aren't on the main street. They're down the little alleyways like these. You wander around for 5 minutes and suddenly you stumble across something you never planned to see. One thing I absolutely love about these old European towns is the buildings. Nothing's perfectly straight, nothing even matches, and somehow that makes it even better. You've got these awesome colours and the old shutters, little balconies, stone archways. It's got so much character. After seeing the yachts over in Monaco, these actually look like boats people might own. Well, maybe not me, but normal people. One thing you'll notice about Menton, the beaches aren't sand, they're covered in smooth stones. This helps keep the water crystal clear, but walking across them is a bit like getting a free foot massage of the negative type, whether you wanted one or not. This is where the adventure changes a little. Up until now, we've just been wandering around doing whatever we want to do. But from here, I've got one goal, to find the highest lookout in Menton. I don't know exactly where it is, but I'm determined to find it. Well, we finally made it to the top of those stairs, and my bloody legs are saying, please, No more. The only problem is, we haven't even started the climb to the highest point in Menton yet. Let's keep going. Well, we've made it, and honestly, check out that view. That is exactly why I love exploring places like this. Sometimes, all you've got to do is keep on walking, and eventually, you'll end up somewhere pretty special.